How to expand two expressions inside brackets multiplied together. If we have an algebraic expression of the type, we obtain the following shown on screen. We can consider to take each element of the first expression separately and apply the expanding property explained in the previous lesson. This is true for all positive-negative combinations, despite the fact that we have only the plus symbol to illustrate the property. Just be careful to apply the aforementioned sign rules. Hence, we obtain the following shown on screen. Thus, basically each term of the first pair of brackets is multiplied by all terms of the second pair of brackets. We have the following shown on screen. The method just shown is known as the FOIL method, an acronym for first, outside, inside, last, which means that initially we multiply the first terms in each bracket, then the outside terms, then the inside ones, and finally the last terms. Example. Simplify the following shown on screen. Solution. Let's write the two main parts of the expression inside brackets to separate them from each other. This is because there is a negative sign before the second set of brackets that may lead to confusion. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. Now we can remove the brackets by observing the sign rules. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 6.2.5. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.2.6, how to expand three or more expressions inside brackets multiplied together. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.